Hello, hi, my name is Miguel, and today I'm gonna make for you a simple, easy meal, stewed corned beef. So the ingredients is 1 can of corned beef. This is a big one, but you can use the 180 gram. You'll need an onion, small size, medium size if you're cooking a big one. 2 garlic cloves or 3 beef. Garlic in my opinion will help counteract any bacteria that might be in this while processing. Stalk of scallion, about 2 or 3 tablespoons of oil, and a teaspoon of salt, half of a scotch bonnet pepper. A teaspoon of pimento seed is optional though, and I like to sprinkle some dried basil and dried parsley, about a 1/4 teaspoon each, and thyme, piece of thyme, just for flavoring. Okay, so prep your seasoning. This is the scallion. Strip that, rinse off your thyme, garlic cloves, just kind of shell these. Shell your garlic clove. Alright, and smash it. Smash it, smash it, smash it. Smash it as fine as possible. Just be careful. Smash it, smash it, smash it. Make sure no trash is in it like that. Dice the onion, and then just dice the scallion too as well. Kind of keep them separate. Keep the garlic separate. Keep these separate. Alright. This is our corned beef. So dirty it is. Make sure it's clean. Let's clean it off. Alright. The key for this, look. The key, I forgot to make sure that the key was on it. Anyway, I'm gonna do it the old fashioned way. Let's see if we can open that way. At first, it's the very first time I'm opening up a corned beef like this. Just cut away from you. That's important. Cut it away from you. Just do that. Alright, so I just slipped and I kept it away from me. Caution. You never go wrong. Be cautious. You never go wrong. Okay, now put to eat for a frying pan for stewing. Put the stove gauge on 4. And if the pot is dry, you can add the oil. About 2 tablespoons or 3. After a minute, add the onions and the scallion. Onions first if you can. Allow it to saute. For 30 seconds, add the scallion. You see, if you like your onions sauteed like myself, you can do this, but if you like onions raw, you don't have to saute it as much as me. Some people actually cook it raw. Allow it to saute. After 30 seconds, add the garlic. You want the onions to start to caramel like that. So it's kind of caramelly around here. That's what you want. Alright, then after you saute the onions, add the corned beef. Turn the stove gauge on low. In a little, so I'm going to add a little oil. Drip a little water. That much. Let's cover it. With the stove's gauge on low. About this much water. About less than a quarter of the can. About this much water. Less than a quarter of the can. Add a pimento. Dried herbs, the pepper, this piece, cut off the salt, about a quarter teaspoon. You want to add more, taste it first. I'm going to use some ketchup too. Just stir this up. Alright, so that's it. Just cover it and turn it off. It took about 8 minutes. I forget the ketchup. It's optional to add the ketchup, but add like a tablespoon. Remove the time stick. You can see it messing up everywhere already. That's why I remove it, because it tend to splash all over the place. Alright. So that's that. Stewed corned beef, or Jamaican terminology, stewed bully beef. I don't know if there's a difference between corned beef and bully beef. I just think this is a brand.